YouTube channel Agile Trading. So now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 3rd of December 2020 and currently time is 9:59 AM. So traders, I have taken a trade in Britannia, you can see, and it is very near to my stop loss and the trade is going on. You can see traders, it is very near to a stop loss, but it's okay. If it hits, it will be a very small loss, and if it works, we will be getting a risk reward of 5.81, which is 5 times our loss, so no problem in that. So traders, till this trade is going on, let me explain you the option selling strategy which we practice every Thursday. As you already know that today is Thursday. Okay traders, so coming on to Bank Nifty chart. So traders, here I have drawn this support and this resistance on 15-minute time frame. You can see here is resistance and here is support. Okay traders, so according to us that Bank Nifty will be today closing between in this range. If it happens, we will be booking profit today. Okay traders, so what we will do in this strategy is that we will sell 30,200, which is our resistance. So we will sell call of 30,200, and also we will be selling put of 28,900 put. Okay traders, so let us come. I am opening my account in Samgos where we will see the points at which these options are trading. Okay, so here are the traders. Okay, so 30,200 call is trading with 13 rupees and 28,900 is trading with 8 rupees. Okay traders, so what we will do is that we will make our or take our trade in Excel sheet as we are doing paper trade. So first sell 30,200 call. So 30,200 call we will sell with 25 quantities, that is one lot, and we will sell it at market price of 14. Okay, so traders, here our target will be 0.55 paise with a stop loss of 35, and let's see the time at which we are taking entry. So it's 10:02 AM. So 10:02 AM. Okay traders, first entry is taken. Now second, so 28,900 call, 28,900 call, sorry, 28,900 put. We are selling with one lot, that is 25 quantity, and we will sell at market price. As you can see, it's with 8 rupees. So 8 rupees with a target of 0.55 paise, and we will make the same stop loss, that is 35. And time at which we are taking entry is 10:03 AM. So traders, I am mentioning time here to see if our stop loss was got triggered after this time or not. Okay traders, so simple, we are taking paper trading in option selling. Now let's see trade in our Britannia. Okay traders, no problem, our stop loss has been hit here. That's totally fine. Now traders, here let's calculate the loss which we had booked in Britannia. It was looking that there are chances that it will hit our stop loss, but it's okay. So now calculate our stop loss. Let me open the calculator. Okay, so our quantities were 7 and our stop loss points were 11.30. So our total loss today is traders 79 rupees, but that's totally fine. We accept our loss, and traders, now I am pausing the video and I will update you at 3 PM when the premium will become 0 of these options. Okay traders. So traders, it's now 3 p.m. you can see, and bank nifty today was totally shown a consolidation. You can see today was the day for sellers day traders. If you were selling the options of near the near spot price, then we were getting a huge profit, but we played very safe, and you can see the market is now closing between our desired range only. You can see traders, so our strategy worked very well. So now let's see the options. Traders, here you can see that both of the options are now trading with 0.4045 paise, and the target has been hit. So now let's calculate our today's profit in option selling. Okay traders, so this is what happened. The 30,200 call gave us a profit of 336, and 28,900 call put gave us a profit of 186. So the total profit which we got from option selling is 522.5. And traders, the maximum loss which we were booking if our stop loss was got hit was half. So there was no worry in that also, but we have booked profit today in option selling. So traders, now let's calculate our today's net profit. So 79 is loss in equity. So 522 minus 79. So today our today's profit is traders 443 rupees. So traders, this was our today's speed trading video. Hope you learned something from this and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.